you're supposed to make sure that your story or whatever article piece that you're running is factual. Abanyamakuru ba Vision Group na mnonga baburenge bw'izoba no Baashomesibwa bakuga hamwe no kugutara bwa burijo ubwo barukigwa kujeje na jamakuru gabo barukura terebera jiro. Public morality rules for the people that you're trying to advertise, that they're going to have an issue and they're going to report to UCC and say TV West runs this program, it does this and this, it doesn't conform with this. It's not good for my children to watch. They're running it and it's all this, pornographic material running. My children watch TV at that time. Those are the comments that those people usually raise. So you know that certain material is not supposed to run during a certain period. So you keep that specific material, and I'm not talking about pornographic, the one that does not conform to public morality, the one that children are supposed to watch, to be played or air at a certain time of that day. Ekindi bashaka kugendera mu mateka hamwe no kwihare mvyo babecho kureberaho.
When I'm reading the Computer Misuse Act, I should be able to understand that provision with precision. So if I go ahead and do what is not allowed, I know I'm going to be punished. But the danger with the current law, you're not sure of its parameters.
Ebyo byona Vision Group yabituretera abo kwenda kutubangura ikirukiraho mutubase kuwendegezo buhereza umubyange biturukereza tutine kubanganisibwaho
umwe ko kumara obwire utabangwirwe utashongwirwe umwe shanga waza aho ngarubaje ngati nindeba nti twayongera kuzaha line
Bobanka gashaka na mnonga bakizire kucondoza hamwe no kushanguriza amakuru mbyaro bitari umwe na bumwe nibagera ngo bamombe bembezi ba government nibetenga kubangurwa abamanyubugabe bw'abanyamakuru bareke ko batuntuza
ushanga abantu bakarasinga abantu batwesizo mwaga polisi urebe mutakwemerera umishona datwara bahuninza kutirisasi
ukana kubenesa abantu na bamwe abakwana bakora mu government kugira ngo umunyamakuru yakwikaho ayine information yakwenda rebe kango wasa kubana murawukira ukwijumuhereza kitare cyo kugira ngo geno musokoreka mu lodging.
Omar Vision Group numwe turi kushange mukora y'amakuru ga bururumi arza TV radio hamwe n'empapara zitari zimwe na zimwe. Gasha kwa Sandeke William.